This is the Aston Martin Valhalla. The new supercar of the British firm has been driven in public for the first time by Fernando Alonso around the legendary Monaco GP circuit. The Valhalla is a mid-engined hybrid supercar that represents Aston Martin's transition towards electrified performance vehicles. It is built around a carbon fiber monocoque chassis for increased rigidity and reduced weight. The bodywork is aerodynamically optimized using techniques derived from Formula One and includes active aerodynamic elements such as a variable rear wing and adjustable front surfaces. Powering the Valhalla is a plug-in hybrid drivetrain. The system combines a 4.0-litre twin-turbocharged V8 engine sourced from Mercedes-AMG with two electric motors, one on the front axle and one integrated into the rear axle. The combined system output is 1,012 metric horsepower, or approximately 1,000 brake horsepower. The V8 engine alone produces 812 horsepower and is mated to an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission developed specifically for hybrid applications. The electric motors provide an additional 200 horsepower and enable all-wheel drive functionality. The Valhalla can operate in pure electric mode for short distances with a maximum electric-only speed of 80 miles per hour. Performance figures are consistent with high-end supercars. The Valhalla can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 2.5 seconds. Its top speed is rated at 217 miles per hour. The car also features advanced torque vectoring and active suspension systems to enhance handling and stability at high speeds and during cornering. Braking is handled by a carbon ceramic braking system, which provides high thermal resistance and reduced weight. The braking system is integrated with regenerative capabilities, allowing the electric motors to recover energy during deceleration. Inside, the Aston Martin Valhalla adopts a minimalist cockpit layout focused on driver engagement. Digital instrumentation is used throughout, with a central touchscreen interface and a compact steering wheel inspired by Formula One designs. The interior materials include carbon fiber, Alcantara, and other lightweight composites. Production of the Aston Martin Valhalla will be limited to 999 units. Each will be assembled by hand at Aston Martin's facility in Gaydon, England. Deliveries are expected to begin in 2025. The Aston Martin Valhalla represents a deeper collaboration with the Aston Martin Aramco Formula One team, incorporating technologies and design elements influenced by modern F1 engineering.